Hello, this is Kelly from Root Pursuit, and I had a friend at the retreat that I would like to share a little bit about her channel. She has a YouTube channel. It's Vintology by Lola. Her name is Laura. Lola was a nickname that she had from some of her kids, I think, that she was teaching, I believe. There was so much talking over the weekend. So anyway, I have some goodies that I'm going to share. I'll do this little journal that she made, but also she gave me this and I can't even comprehend it. It's a snippet roll, handmade snippet roll. So I'm just gonna, I keep saying I'm gonna like glue this in here, and I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it right now while I'm thinking of it. Just get a little bit of this fabric glue, because every time I have to refish it through. I learn things. I get smarter as I go. And then I'll show you the snippet roll. Or I should just do it. Not waste my time. Your time, I mean. Not my time. Not my time. It's your time. Okay. So then we'll do this. And then look at this. Handmade. So she's a quilter too. But look at this. Oh my goodness. Like vintage buttons. And I learned about flower sag fabric, which I didn't know what that was. I thought it was something totally different. So we're going to learn about that today too. And then you can just see all the, look at the stitching. Oh my goodness. And the little beads and the charms. This little clock, alarm clock charm. Adorable. More beading and a little flower rosette. And I love this little piece of fabric. It's like a little tag, a little sign, label kind of situation. And it's so cute. All right. So that is that. And look at, my string didn't fall off this time. Brilliant. So I'm going to roll that back up. La, la, la. Rolling it back up. And then we'll just tie it back together. It's brilliant. So I'm really excited about that. And of course, if you're not familiar with what you do with these, you take a little piece of it and then you can add it to your journals. I'm not really even sure I can do that, but I might consider it, but I might just want to treasure it just as it is. So Laura made that, and she also made this lovely journal. Look at this. Isn't that neat? And it's got the little cookie cutter. And it's a fall leaf on there in the front. So we might have to do a little, not dissecting exactly, idea dissecting. So this is like a little envelope here. So that's really cute. And then you open it up, and then these two envelopes are this way. And then there's goodies in the little envelopes, and it's all decorated. So neat. Look at the little clips on the tabs, and it's so chunky and wonderful. And these little, she's like, these crochet things are so easy. If you know how to crochet, which I definitely don't. So those are fun. Little goodies in here, which looked a lot better before I ripped it open. But they're little fall, little pumpkins that are really cute. I put it like that. That looks a lot better than how I put it in. I told Amy, I said, we're gonna make a journal together with these lovelies. So I'm excited about that. And Amy's excited too. And then in the back, it's got a really cute little pumpkin ornament. So how cute is that? So it's definitely an envelope journal. So, and there's not that many envelopes in there. So, I don't even think it would, you know, the decorating will take a long time, but the actual construction of it might not be that bad. Not too bad. So yes, that was a lovely gift. The other thing is she makes these little pens and stuff. And I said, This is a tiny little coffee cup, and I don't know if you're going to be able to read it. I'll just read it to you. It says, "I craft, therefore I hoard." And I told her, I said, maybe I should get a little tattoo. And I used this the whole weekend at the retreat because I couldn't lose it, because look at how cute it was, and it always stood out. So I had a pen the whole entire time. It was fantastic. Now I'm thinking, I know that's not hers, but, and then there was this whole bag of goodies. I don't think that was, I'm not really sure. I think this was Robin's. I know the other one was. I think I did mix some other people's stuff in here. So there's like a bunch of little bits and pieces. And look at, she gave me this isn't the only tea that she got me. Of course, I love tea, so I'm always excited to get tea. And some other goodies. Look at this tiny little notebook. Isn't that cute? And it's just like a journaling book. I should put this in my purse. Lots of fun pockets. And I also love these pockets for ephemera, actually. So I might just keep them for that. Who knows? I don't know. They're cute. I can't remember whose these are. I think they got mixed in. I'm not sure. But look at this. These little pockets with these cards. Oh my gosh. There's 2 of those. And the charms. Oh my gosh. And just lots of fun hardware goodies. Look at this. I never used these yet. I've never had them before. I'm always too, frugal. So there might be a book in my future that's got these attached to it. Aren't they cool? Oh, lovely. A little thank you card. So nice. And some goodies. Some charms. I love key charms. I have a little collection of them. And a little, look at this. Is that ever adorable? The little paper clip. It's shaped like an envelopes. I've got the hanger one and a word bubble. And then, of course, the rounds. I love these. I just throw it all over the place. I get so excited. So I'm going to put these in my drawer right away with my favorite paper clips. And oh no, one went down the side. That doesn't go there. You can't lose them. I have to get it out now. Hold on. Pulling it out. Yes, it was the key too. I definitely don't want that falling down the side. And the round one. Oh no, that was mine. I do like those. Those are my favorite. I hoard them because I think they're too wonderful to use. Ooh, that's a neat little label. Neat label. Okay, and then the best is she makes pin cushions. And she does these things. And I said how much I love them. And she said, oh, let me give you one, which was unbelievably nice. And she even gave me a needle. This is a seed bead needle. So I can do some stitching on the top of it before I stuff it like a pillow and call it a pincushion. She said to put walnuts, crushed walnuts, shells in here, not walnuts, the shells. And that sharpens the needle every time you push in your needle and makes them so they don't get dull, which is cool. Now this is what I was talking about before. This is flour sack material, which here I thought a flour sack was like almost like burlap, and then it had like print on it. No, that's not what it is. This is like fabric that's used to be like aprons and stuff like that. So, and she told me to make sure that when I do it, I round the corners, so it won't be pokey on the corners. So that was good advice for me because I would have done that. Some other goodies in here. Let's look at little pocket. Look at these. Aren't those cute? Little pockets. Oh my gosh. And I love these papers. They're amazing. And all of these, look at these. Oh, they have like botanical images on them. Aren't they beautiful? They're so beautiful. So Laura, Vintology by Lola, the Junk Journal YouTube channel, if you want to check that out. She definitely knows what's pretty. You can't argue with that. So lovely, very lovely. Thank you so much, Laura, for all these little goodies. I will treasure them, and I was happy that I could show them and share your channel. So we will just hopefully, and there's pokey tools that she makes that are similar too. So they've got like these sections on them and stuff. So check out her channel, and then that'll lead you on to her. I don't know if she has them for sale yet, or she's just amping up. She's just been retired for 6 months. So she is excited, I think, to start her junk journal YouTube journey that she maybe didn't have as much time for before, but now she does. So that's exciting for Laura. All right. Well, all right. That's all I had for today. And as always, thanks for coming along, and I'll talk to you later.